Hello, my name is Jennifer and welcome. It is that time of year again where it's time to make a card for that special someone. This year I'm going to be making some red heart rosettes on a black panel. I love the boldness of this look. While I had this idea in my head, I wasn't sure. I actually had two ideas and I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use. So I created both cards, and you'll see that here in the video. And once both panels were done, then I made a decision on which card I am going to give away. And before I go, I'm just going to make a note. I do show two different ways on adhering your cutout strip. And you'll notice that one way gives you a pointier bottom at the end of your heart, and one isn't. Well, it's just a little more rounded. So I am going to throw on some music. I will catch you at the end of this video to review which panel I decided to use this year. All right, so both my panels are completed. You can see they're very bold. That red on black is just gorgeous. They're very simple cards, but still really beautiful. Now, you can see earlier in the video, I did some ink blending with the stencil, and that was for the inside of this card. So as you can see, I decided on the panel with the large die cut, says love you. The other one is just as beautiful. The heart is a little rounded at the bottom, like I said earlier, just because I attached it a little differently than I did on the one on the left. So with that, I will say thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support is really important to me, and I will catch you at the next project.